Well, it has been a really exciting day क्योंकि MG मोटर ने लॉन्च कर दिया है द हेक्टर टोमाहॉक को. Now, this is not only a pure EV SUV that they have launched, but ये प्लग इन हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक में भी आपको देखने को मिलेगी and that is a really exciting bit. प्योर ईवी में 517 किलोमीटर्स की क्लेम रेंज एंड प्लग इन हाइब्रिड में 1100 किलोमीटर्स की क्लेम रेंज. Well, a lot of exciting details are coming your way, so I suggest that you keep watching this video to find out all the details. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritties of the EV and the PHEV, पहले बात कर लेते हैं डिजाइन की. नाउ नाम में हेक्टर जरूर है, बट देयर इज नो रिजेम्बलेंस हियर ऑफ द हेक्टर एंड दैट इज अ गुड थिंग बिकॉज दिस इज अ कंप्लीटली फ्रेश कार एंड हैज अ वेरी इम्पोजिंग फ्रंट फैशिया, इफ आई मे से सो. साथ में करता हूं हाइलाइट्स की बात, तो यहाँ पर आपको बीच में बैकलिट एमजी का लोगो देखने को मिलेगा. Here you have a large LED headlamp with the split DRL design and projector LEDs embedded right into it, two of them, and साथ ही में sequential indicators LED में भी आपको देखने को मिल रहे हैं. Overall, it gets a very monolithic kind of design from the front, and that gives a very dominating presence to the SUV. साइड प्रोफाइल की बात करूं तो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आपको देखने को मिलेंगे डुअल टोन फिनिश में डायमंड कट 18 इंच अलॉय व्हील्स. उसके अलावा काफी चंकी एंड सॉलिड यहाँ पर बॉडी क्लैडिंग्स देखने को मिल रही हैं. अगेन अ वेरी गुड थिंग एंड समथिंग दैट विल आल्सो add to the vehicle's durability on off-road or soft-road conditions. Moving forward, you'll get to see कि यहाँ पर ORVM में you get to see the lens of the 360-degree camera that the car comes with. Apart from the 360 view, you also get a transparent view of the chassis and the wheel, which adds to your visibility around the vehicle in a difficult situation. Moving forward, so the car is pretty long, or that affords it a wheelbase of 2810 mm. Now that opens up a lot of room, and MG tells us कि wheelbase का 85% space has been used for opening up space for the occupants inside. Door handles यहाँ पर traditional हैं. They have a chrome bit here, and you also get an open and close request button right here. ऊपर आपको देखने को मिलेगा the car that we are looking at is finished in a dual tone scheme, and also the roof rails are finished in a piano black. And then we have the tail end design. Well, यहाँ पर भी काफी ज्यादा bold lines and creases का इस्तेमाल किया है MG designers ने. It looks like a design which will age very well because it has these clean lines. LED यहाँ पर LED tail lamps आपको देखने को मिल रहे हैं with the clear lens treatment, and of course you have the Hector Tomahawk badging along with the EV badging because this car is the pure EV one, and of course the ADAS badging. The Tomahawk also offers level 2 ADAS safety functions across both the cars, and it also comes with a lot of safety functions as standard. Be it EV or a PHEV, एक family SUV के लिए practicality भी बहुत ही important aspect हो जाता है, and in that let's check out the boot space of the Tomahawk. Now first of all it gets a power tailgate, and once that is up, यहाँ पर it reveals a decent amount of boot space with the third row up. Now with the third row down, this boot space increases to 528 liters, and जो इस गाड़ी का 5-seater वेरिएंट है उसमें वो स्पेस और भी ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाती है right up till 610 liters. And with that, I am at the driver's seat of the MG Tomahawk, the Hector Tomahawk. And to be honest, यहाँ पर बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक मॉडर्न और मिनिमलिस्टिक फ्यूचरिस्टिक वाइब दी हुई है MG मोटर इंडिया ने, because it gets very muted colors and very minimalistic design for the dashboard and everything. Of course, the center stage takes this new steering wheel that we are getting to see with the MG logo in the center and the multi-function buttons on either sides. सामने यहाँ पर ड्राइवर इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए भी एक डिजिटल डिस्प्ले है, and one of the highlights of the Tomahawk is this massive 15.5-inch touchscreen right in the middle. Of course, you also get a wireless mobile charger right here in the center console. AC controls के लिए you have a bit of physical controls, which is always a nice thing to have. A lot of storage area in the center plaque here. यहाँ पर भी एक deep यहाँ पर recess है for your knickknacks, and overall this seems like a very comfortable space to be in. Now that is of course going to be very important in attracting family car buyers in India. And the other important thing which is for family car buyers in India is features. और features list में भी MG ने कोई भी stone unturned नहीं छोड़ा है, as they do with all their cars. यहाँ पर आपको double pane panoramic sunroof, 360-degree camera, ventilated seats, a 10-speaker audio system, काफी सारी चीजें आपको ओवरऑल देखने को मिलेंगी to make your drives very comfortable in this car that can go up till 1100 kilometers in its PHEV version. फ्रंट की बात कर ली है तो obviously second row comfort की भी बात करनी जरूरी है for a car like the Hector Tomahawk. And as you can see, I am in a very comfortable position right now and I have amples of room, amples of space, be it the headroom, be it knee room. My height is 5'11" for reference, and यहाँ पर बीच में मेरे को center armrest भी मिल रहा है. So overall, this is going to be a very comfortable space for long journeys. साथ ही में मेरे को यहाँ पर dedicated controls देखने को मिल रहे हैं for the air conditioning at the second row, and then for the and also for the passengers who are in the third row. उसके अलावा the muted colors and the light color theme inside the cabin is giving it a very roomy feeling, and of course, how can we forget the panoramic sunroof that also helps in amplifying the ambience inside this second row. Overall, this is going to be a great space for spending a lot of time for long journeys, in intercity travel or highway travel. अब देखिए इस गाड़ी में that I'm showing you right now, the third row is also there. So let's take a quick look. I won't get inside, but you get a single tumble function, and here it is revealed the third row. Now, of course, this is going to be best for children and adults के लिए ज़्यादा time spend करना यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable तो नहीं होगा. Of course, the car has 2810 mm of wheelbase, which allows it to have a third row, but it is going to be, best for kids at any given moment. But the single tumble function is going to add to the convenience. अब मैंने Hector Tomahawk के design, features, interior सब के बारे में आपसे बात कर ली है, but now let's get to the all important specifications. And that is important because MG ने इस गाड़ी को both pure EV और plug-in hybrid electric vehicle की तरह launch किया है. And let's start with the specs of the EV. Well, you get a 69.2 kilowatt hour battery pack जो इसको एक claimed range देता है of 517 kilometers. Now that above 500 kilometer claimed range figure is always good news when we talk about an electric car that is supposed to ferry around up to 7 people, across on highway trips and road trips and so on. उसके अलावा in terms of power, the electric motors generate 203 PS of power and 310 Newton meters of torque. Now, all that can be yours from a starting price of rupees 13.99 lakh under the battery as a service scheme. If you want to outright own the car, prices start from rupees 19.49 lakh ex-showroom. Well, this comes with a 25 kilowatt hour battery pack that works in tandem with the 1.5 liter petrol engine that acts as the entire hybrid system. होता क्या है, this gives this car a claimed range of up to 1100 kilometers on a full tank of fuel. उसके अलावा इस गाड़ी में 115 किलोमीटर्स की EV only range भी आपको देखने को मिल जाएगी thanks to that battery pack, and overall it is going to be suited for people who have long highway journeys on a regular basis. Now in terms of pricing, even in the PHEV आपको battery as a service scheme का फायदा उठाने को मिलेगा, which has a starting price of 21.79 lakh ex-showroom. Now, if you want to outright own the PHEV, then you will have to shell out 25.69 lakh ex-showroom as a starting price with the battery ownership as well. And ladies and gentlemen, that was all about the newly launched MG Hector Tomahawk. You let me know what you thought about the new Hector Tomahawk in the comment section. Like always, do not forget to like this video and share it with someone who might be in the market for a new family SUV. Like always, this is Amber Banerjee signing out.